Is it just a closet?
You don't see how it's good fan?
Yeah.
I bet that makes a difference.
No, you don't let somebody pull it.
That was something cool?
No.
Just one.
It's gonna break it.
It's a good thing.
You're gonna break it.
The basement is here.
Oh, okay.
Alright. Do you know what that flapping sound is? Is that just
Yes,
something in the...
that is a fan, I'll show you,
Right,
sort of a
okay.
fan in the kitchen.
Oh,
That
okay,
goes
so
to
the
the
like
outside. These
exhaust
steps
or something.
are really kind of, they're steep, so.
Oh wow. This is Sunny's theory.
Here's the basement.
They have a basement.
A standard basement.
And there isn't any really, I mean, when this house was built, this is the typical Buffalo basement.
Yeah.
Of an older house. And they used these stones from the quarry, and when they put them in, they're sort of porous.